Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, in this video, we will go over the time off module in the HR section. This is where you can view and manage all employee time off requests. To begin, head over to the HR module and select time off, or use the smart search instead. Once you land on the main page, on this page, you will see all time off requests submitted by employees. Each request will show the employee's name, the start date, end date, reasons, status, request date, who updated it, and the last updated time. Now let's look at how an employee submits a request. The employee can click their profile icon from the top right corner and go to My Hours. From here, they will see sections like schedules, time clocks, time off, and payroll history. To request time off, the employee goes to the Time Off tab and clicks Add Request. They will enter the start date, end date, the time, and the reason for the request. Once everything is entered, they can click Save. After the request is saved, it will appear in the Time Off request page for review. From the manager or admin side, you can either approve or decline the request using the Action button on the left side. If the request is approved, the employee will be able to see the approval from their My Hours Time Off section. If the request is declined, the status will be updated as declined. You can also click Summary to view a quick breakdown of total requests, pending requests, approved, and declined requests. If a request was approved or declined by mistake, you can use the rollback option. Once rollback, the request will return back to the pending status and will wait for the next response, either approved or declined. If you're wondering whether employees can access this section, you can control what employees are allowed to view by using the Settings menu template. From there, you can create a menu template and choose which modules or reports should be available for the employees. Once the template is created, go to the HR Employees, edit the employee, and assign the correct menu template from the Assign Menu Template dropdown. This allows each employee to only see the modules and sections they are given access to. I will cover menu templates in detail in another video. And that is how you manage employee time off request in the HR module. That's all from me today. I'll see you guys in our next module.